Hi guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. I haven't done a decorate with me in such a long time because I've been decluttering, and as you guys know, or most of you know, that we will be moving in the next couple of months, so I really have been trying to declutter our life. Okay, so I have these items pulled out that I've went down to my decor room and pulled out. I want to decorate the center of my table, my mirrored console behind me, and in my kitchen and my coffee table. So I have some few little places that I want to place some decor. So let's get started. Here's the before of the coffee table. Let's update it. I really like that vase, but it's a bit too tall for this coffee table. Let's keep going. Okay, so this is what I have for the coffee table right here. I'm not quite sure how to style it. I had a few more items that I did want to add on here. Here's another idea that I came up with. Opening the coffee table book and adding in those candlesticks and putting the heart at the bottom. Okay, so this is how I'm going to leave it. I added the candlesticks and the vase because I could not figure out which way to. So this is going to be my coffee table styling for Valentine. A little applique on top of the page. I thought that would give it a little more texture. And this is the tray with the love plaque. This is again the cup that the flowers are in, and the vase, and there are the candlesticks there. Okay, so that's my coffee table. Let's move on to the next spot. You guys, do that look right with that rose there? Should I leave that or remove it? Is that too much going on? I'm just trying to bring a little more pop of red. Or do the cup look better? Before. So I put the tray in the table and I mixed my foxtails in, and this is what I came up with. I had a lot of suggestions on keeping the lights at the window, so I left the lights, so they're still there hanging in my dining area. And this is my centerpiece for my table. I'm gonna place that and a candle, and there you have it. That's my dining space. How pretty is that? Okay, this is what I did with this mirrored console here. It was a little difficult, but I added the red vase and the word love, and then this is where I moved those candlesticks over here. And then down, I just added that in temporarily. Super cute. Look at it. A woman and a man shaped in a heart. So, it'll only stay like that, you know, until just for a few days. And there we have it. Okay, there you go. So you can see how the two red vases are tying in with one another. Well, That's a good, there you go. You can see both tables now. Okay, this is what I did to the kitchen. I kept it really, really simple and so chic. I added this clear vase. I added a heart and some beautiful red tulips. They look so real, but they're a really, really good quality. And then my same plate decor that's always up there. So this is what I did for the kitchen. How nice does that look? So nice. And I added this in for the stove. It says True Love. And then I just put it on top of those two black and white. That's my kitchen decor. Really simple. A nice tea towel. And then some red tulips. I think that's so nice for Heart Day. Entryway decor. So look what I did. I added this vase in. It used to be over by my curio cabinet. I put it here in my entryway. And then I added this little fella down there. I'm not quite sure if he'll stay. I just put him there for now, just because they both had little mosaic stones and mirror on there. So I just added them there because this had the same design. This is the little other side of my entryway. Oh, so cute. I put the porcelain roses, and then I moved those in here now. Well, I want to thank each and every last one of you for rocking out with me on this beautiful Decorate With Me. I forgot how much fun this was just to rearrange things to freshen up your home. I didn't spend one red cent. That was so awesome. I had so much fun. I hope you guys enjoy. Please give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so at this time. And I will speak to you guys very, very soon. Bye for now.